It is very windy out here in Texas, but that's all right though, because I had a friend of mine many years ago tell me you can take the boy out the country, but you can't take the country out the boy. And there might be some truth to that, because I tell you what, I got the Blackstone heated up. I got me some bologna. Some of y'all already know where I'm going with this. For those of you who don't, let me tell you about a fried bologna sandwich. I ain't got the napkin. We got pants though. My wife don't like the smell of fried bologna, so I had to come outside. Which is alright though, because hey, at the Traveling Palmers, there ain't nothing better than being on the grill every day. So we're gonna be cooking this bologna. I gotta put my slit in it. Let it go bubble up. I do regret not buying the Blackstone with the lid, so I might even have to buy a lid. But we got the burners all the way up. As it gets on there frying a little bit better, I'll flip it around so y'all can see that. So, if you ain't never had a fried bologna sandwich, go get some bologna, put it on a skillet, cook it till the thing starts bubbling up, flip it, burn it to your likings. And yes, I said burn it, because you're not just warming it up, you're burning it. So burn it, get you some cheese. Me personally, I like getting the thick bologna, but we was at Aldi's and well, that's what I got. Either way, it's gonna work. But me, what I like to do is I make 2 pieces of bologna per sandwich, and I put my cheese in between the bologna. Yes, it makes it just hits different. Yeah. So let that cook a little bit, and then I'll flip it around and show you what it's supposed to look like, how much I burn it, but you can burn it more. And then I'll show you how the sandwich looks. Got to get your fried bologna sandwich. All right, well, there go my fried bologna. Let me tell you, I flipped it, and it is so windy, my bologna is actually blowing off the skillet or blowing off my Blackstone. So, and it does matter on what type of bologna you get. I got the cheap stuff. I'm assuming it's cheap. I don't know. Got it from Aldi's. I like that Carolina Pride. So, all right, let's go in there and put it on let me go get some. You know what? I want to run in there and give me some cheese and some bread. I'm gonna put this sandwich together. We're gonna see what it goes like, what it tastes like. Mouth's already watering. All right. Like I said, I would much rather have my bologna burnt a little bit more. When the wind blowing like it was, the bologna blowing off of my Blackstone, that's pretty crazy. Gotta love Texas. Anyway, put some mustard on there. Whatever you like. Slam it together. Bam. Bam. Put that burnt bologna on it. Like I said, I like putting the cheese in the middle of 2 pieces of meat. All right, there we go. Put it on there. Bam. So, for more Po' Boy Southern recipes, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel while I enjoy this meal. Yes, that right there gonna give me some chips to go with it. Fat boy about to get fed. And then sweep that on the floor so the wife can sweep it. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and share it with your friends who don't know what a fried bologna sandwich is supposed to be, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. I'm just playing. Everybody won't get no more recipes, but we'll see what happens.